Question number 2. A train takes 1/2 hours to reach Havra from Esnol. If the speed of the train is 80 km per hour, then find the distance between two places. Okay, so there are the two places given, A and B. Let's see. And the time taken is 1/2 hours. Here is the time taken by it, 1/2 hours, and the distance is 80 km per hour. 80 km per hour. So they are saying to find the distance. You have to find the distance. You know that very well. First of all, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, and here if kilometer per hour is given, that means which quantity is this? This is speed. Unit tells itself what it is, and it is given in hours, so that means it is a time. And distance you have to calculate. If you have to calculate distance, so this will go that side. It is dividing here, so it is going to be multiply here. So this is your distance. Okay, now this is the formula. They have given you speed which is 80 km per hour and time is 1/2 hour. R, no change, means we don't have to multiply with any number because it is also in hour, it is also in hour. No change. Just I have to solve this mixed fraction. It is mixed fraction. 1/2. So what I will do, I am going to multiply this number with this and add. It is going to multiply by this and addition is going to happen. See, 2 into 2 plus 1 over 2. This is the method to solve the mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 over 2. It is 5/2. So it is in front of you. Okay, now see clearly. Speed is given which is 80 km per hour. You want to write units, okay. If you don't want to write units, then it is also okay. Time is 5/2 hour. Here you are calculating distance. Okay, so see, 80 km over hour multiply by 5/2 hour. You are calculating distance. So hour are cancel out. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 40. So it is 40 into 5 is equal to distance. So it is 200 km is your distance. So this was the first part of the second question. Now let's see the second part of the second question. What it says: a school bus traveling at a speed of 48 km per hour. So speed is given clearly, no big issue. Speed is 48 km per hour and reaches from a stop to the school. From a particular stop is there and it reaches to the school, and speed is 48 km per hour in 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Time is given 45 minutes. Now hurdle is there. See, 45 minutes is given. It is in hour and this is also in hour. This is not in hour. So you have to convert in hour. So you know that in 1 minute it is 1/60 hour. This is our formula. Remember that. So 45 minutes is equal to 45. At the place of minute, I am going to multiply by 1/60 hour. So it is 5 2s are, I think 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Here 45 multiply by 1/60 hour. I am dividing these two numbers by 5. Okay, it is not 13, it is 5 9s are 45. Okay, again 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again you will get confused. I am doing it again. 45 minutes. This is minute, so I am multiplying this by hour. Okay, so it is 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. With 5 I am dividing this. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So answer is 3/4 hour. So your time is 3/4 hour. I know that speed is equal to distance upon time, and if I have to calculate distance, so this is going to multiply by this. So speed into time. What is distance? Distance is, I have to calculate, speed is 48 kilometer per hour. I am writing like this. Time is 3/4 hour. RR cancel out. This 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it is 12 into 3 kilometer, and you are having 36 kilometer is your distance for the second question.